In this video, I'm going to show you how to personalize and customize your message to improve the efficiency of your cold email campaigns. You see, whenever you're sending a cold email, the secret to success is in personalization. Why? Because you can't really automate the personalized things. And when people see something really personal to them and something it just shows that you have done research on your prospect. It just shows that you are that interested in working with them. It shows your seriousness in working with them. Though the entire email need not be personalized, at least some segments of the emails can be highly personalized, and that improves the efficiency of your campaign. So if you want to get more open rates, more reply rates, use this strategy. And in this strategy, I'll be covering how exactly to personalize this email if you are a complete beginner and you're looking for a job, looking for a fresher freelancing gig or something like that. Okay, so let me go back to my screen and my LinkedIn feed where you can actually go ahead and find people. So if you are here on LinkedIn, go to the search bar and search for something like hiring uh, content writer. So let's say you are looking for a content writer role, right? Hit enter. You'll have a lot of stuff here. Go to posts. A lot of people, what they do when they want to hire, they just post it on LinkedIn, because if they do a job thing on LinkedIn, they have to pay to the LinkedIn. So most people just post it on their profile and hope to get some leads out of it, right? You can also filter it based on company, also based on the location. If I'm not wrong, yeah, I don't think it's by location here, but posted by, date posted. You can sort by latest posts. This also you can do. And date posted, what I would suggest you to do is click on past month. So people usually search for a new hiree within like a month. You can also do it uh, past a week. That also works. But I just go ahead and go a little bit broader and start looking for people who have started hiring in the last 2 months. That means there is a requirement for the role that I'm searching for, right? So here I see Ragini Rathore is hiring. Hello Connections, hiring alerts, and they're hiring for so many people here. So Zentech is the company. So if I can check the company profile, they have 174 employees. It's from Madhya Pradesh, Indore. Fantastic, right? And there is a call to action, right? And there is an email also. So we're pretty much sorted. You can directly send an email to Ragini. We have Ashima from Paddle Lift Private Limited. She's hiring. She's also an HR. And if you look at here, talent acquisition specialist, again, oh, stipend. This is if you are a complete fresher, you can do this. If you have a little bit of experience, go ahead and check if people are looking for experienced content writers, right? So freelancer, web content writer, and anyone interested, check for send them a DM or mail them at here, right? We at Unbound B2B are currently hiring from below position. So we have SEO intern, content writers, excellent command in English, blah, blah, blah. Decent hike on current C2C. Okay, great. Now, what is happening is we also have their email, right? So let's say I'm sending an email to Amit Kumar Baranwal. So I would ideally send him a connection request. That's number one. Second, I would also send this guy an email, and they also have a phone number here, so you can just give them a call, right? So let's say I'm sending an email to akkumar2 at unboundconnect.com. So pretty much the same strategy. It can start with subject, and in the subject, instead of writing quick question, I think because these guys are already hiring, so you're hiring. Done. Let's say, what is this guy's name? His name is Amit Kumars, right? Amit. Done. Body. Hey, Amit. And just came across the LinkedIn post where you're hiring for multiple content positions. He is hiring for multiple positions. Cool. Um, and let's say I'm applying for the content writer gig. I'm reaching out because I would love to help you with content writing. I'm in this field for quite some time and have written SEO optimized content for companies like Astra, Joyfit. There was one more content company that I was writing with. I forgot the name. Wait, I'll open up my profile. It was a data science company, I remember. Organic Nitra, Koso IT, and Koso IT. Uh, if you have, if your articles are ranking, you can also mention that. For Astra, I ranked various keyword with an in-depth content write up, right? I would love to send you some of my writing samples and see if we can work together. Should I send it over? Cheers, Chant, writing fantabulous, I don't know, content. Done. This is a cold email, right? We just figured out that this guy is already hiring. Instead of quick question, we just type in, so you are hiring Amit. Or let's say, are you still hiring Amit? Still hiring Amit. Done. Body. Hey Amit, just came across the LinkedIn post where you are hiring for multiple positions. I'm reaching out because I would love to help you with content writing. I have been in this field for quite some time and have written SEO optimized content for companies like Astra, Joyfit, and Coso IT. For Astra, I ranked various keywords with an in-depth content write-up. I would love to send you some of my writing samples and see if we can work together. Should I send it over? Cheers, Chant. Writing fantabulous content. Done. Right? Pretty simple, pretty straightforward, and there is a high chance that this guy is gonna go ahead and reply to you. Now, if you take this email as an example or a template, this part can be completely, in fact, the entire email can be directly copy pasted across multiple people who are hiring for content writer, because you see there is no lack of leads right here, right? A lot of people are hiring already, and we can just send them all this emails to these people. And if I look at the number of posts, it doesn't show. Okay, but you see so many people are hiring. I can just simply send this one email to all these people, customized based on their name, and should be more than enough to get some replies, get some connections started, and get some you know, gigs as well. Now here, if you can look at my email, I have not mentioned that I'm looking for a full-time job. What I have mentioned here is I'm looking to work with you. In the interview, you can tell them that, hey, you know what, I would love a contractual position as opposed to a full-time position. Are you guys okay with it? Now you'll be surprised that a lot of people are actually open to hiring freelancer than just you know, uh, than just full-time people, because they have to invest a lot of time, energy on full-time writers and training them. Freelancers, they treat like, you know, more like dispensable guys. It's not negative, it's how the world works. So if you can convince them on the interview that, hey, you know what, we can go ahead and work together as a contractual position as opposed to a full-time position, you can become a freelancer with this company, and you have multiple avenues of growth. Like you can work with multiple companies at the same time. Now if I look at more positions, so this is a content writer gig, right? Let's say you are working for email marketing position. Email marketing, right? Oh, email marketing, okay, sure, we'll put just this one. I'm hiring for this marketing specialist, technical recruiter, let's put email marketer. They are for Thai candidates, India. SMM marketer is what they're hiring. I don't see email marketing specialist. This guy is hiring. Ragini Rathore. She's hiring. Okay. Mm, Qatar location. We don't want to work there. Hiring order book sales rep. They're hiring. We're urgently hiring. Okay. We can check their form. Mm, business development lead. No, no, no. Internship post. Yeah, I'll have to filter some positions out. Should be fine. And you'll come across multiple such posts like that. So this is post thing, right? If you go to jobs, you'll also find a lot of email marketing positions. And here, the best thing is you can change the location. So I have right now, let's instead of email marketing, email marketer, I'll put email marketing, and this will change based on the kind of work. So yeah, so we have crew. This company is hiring email marketing specialists, right? And now if you want to work with India, so you'll just search for India, hit, oops, sorry, I think, now it's there. Lead generation, PPC lead, search engine. Let's see if we have email marketing positions open right here. Oh, damn. There are no email marketing position. But I think if we look at digital marketing executive, oh, this is performance marketing. Oh, I don't see anyone hiring for email marketers. So sad about it. But yeah, I think, oh yeah, here we go. Marketing specialist, HubSpot email and marketing. Done. So we have some people here. If you have experience in this related field, you can just go ahead and send them an email. You can find the email of the guy who is hiring, Shri Sail Twarmath, this guy. Let's see if he has given his contact details. No, we don't have his contact details, so we can like open up this guy's profile, use a tool like Apollo to find out his email address, right? We have this guy. So here is the email, shrisahil.s@silvermine group. So this is something that we can use, and we can simply go ahead and send an email to Shri and see if we can really jam together, work together on the email marketing position that has opened, right? So go ahead and do this and land the jobs and let me know how it goes for you, right? Thank you very much for watching and see you in the next video. And by the way, I have just created this 2-hour training on how to do prospecting and high ticket sales. The link to it is in the description and in the first comment. So if you are interested in that kind of a position or that kind of a skill, so you can go ahead and watch it. It's completely free of cost. Don't have to pay me anything. I just need your goodwill for now. Thank you very much. Go check the link and see you later.